This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic service light. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the Sell/Reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button. Keep holding it until the oil life display begins to flash, indicating you're in the reset menu. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance minder system. Once the oil life display starts flashing, release the Sell/Reset button. Immediately press and hold the button again. Continue holding it for about 10 seconds. You will see the oil life display change to 100%, confirming the reset is complete. This action clears the maintenance minder message, ensuring your car's system is updated after your service. It's a straightforward way to keep your Honda's alerts accurate. If the service light doesn't reset, double-check that your engine is off and the ignition is only in the on position. Sometimes, not holding the button long enough is the issue. If the light still persists after several attempts, there might be another underlying problem requiring professional attention. Remember, performing regular maintenance, like oil changes, helps prevent these service lights from appearing unexpectedly. Staying proactive keeps your Honda running smoothly. Resetting your Honda Civic service light is a simple task once you know the steps, especially after an oil change. Always refer to your specific owner's manual for any model year variations or additional details. Keeping up with routine maintenance is key to your vehicle's longevity and performance. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.